Hey there, gaming enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you daily doses of quality content to elevate your product knowledge. Today, we've got something special for you, the best gifts to get your friend into gaming. Stick around to discover exciting products that will make you the ultimate gift-giving champion. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more insightful videos and turn on notifications, so you never miss out. Let's dive into the world of gaming greatness together. Number 1. Nintendo Switch. If you're in the position to give someone, or yourself, their very first console this holiday, don't chase after the flashy new PlayStation 5 or Xbox Series 10. The Nintendo Switch is a better starter piece because it has something for everyone, whether that's classic Mario or Zelda games, online team shooters like Overwatch, or even a game where you walk around as a goose, honking and messing with people. Nintendo also offers the Switch Lite for $100 less, but you can only play it handheld style instead of connecting it to your TV. I'd suggest opting for the original version if you can swing it. The option to switch from TV to handheld is a delight. If you want to go a little more luxe, you can spend an extra $100 on the Nintendo Switch OLED model, which has a larger, more vivid screen and plays all the same games. Number 2. 8BitDo Ultimate Bluetooth Controller. 8BitDo's Ultimate Bluetooth Controller lives up to its name. The gamepad, which works with both the Nintendo Switch and Windows PCs, feels great in the hand, has a familiar button layout, and can switch between Bluetooth and a 2.4 GHz wireless connection. Additionally, buttons on the back can be programmed on the back to trigger custom commands in compatible games. Perhaps the coolest thing about this controller is the included charging dock, which makes topping up its battery a lot easier. If you keep the controller docked when you're not playing, it'll never run out of juice. Xbox and PlayStation players shouldn't feel left out, as the official first-party controllers for the Xbox Series SX and PlayStation 5 are available. If you'd like a wired option, PowerA has you covered. Number 3. Asus ROG Ally. The ROG Ally is one of the most innovative gadgets we've reviewed in 2023, and it's a fierce competitor to Valve's venerable Steam Deck. The Ally runs a full version of Windows, which means you can play games from multiple digital game stores, from Steam to Xbox Game Pass. Asus packed the ROG Ally with a 7-inch 1080p display, custom processor, 16GB of RAM, and 512GB of storage, so it's stacked enough to play the AAA games from 2023 at high settings. If you're catching up with games released years ago, you should be able to push them to ultra settings while maintaining a steady frame rate. Like the Nintendo Switch, you can connect this handheld to your TV to play games at higher than HD resolutions, too. As handheld gaming PCs go, the Asus ROG Ally is the top of the heap, and any Windows gamer will sink hundreds of hours of games over the holiday season and beyond. Number 4. Syntec Mini Dock. If you're going to connect your gaming handheld to a TV, you'll need to get a dock. The best one we've tested is this 6-port model from Syntec, which doubles as a stand. An integrated USB-C cable connects the dock to your portable computer and allows you to plug in accessories, via USB-A, a wired internet connection, via Ethernet, and a TV or monitor, via HDMI. The dock required no software to run and was instantly recognized by the ROG Ally as a compatible accessory. There's even a USB-C port on the dock, which you can plug into an outlet using a USB-C cable and power adapter to keep the handheld charged. If you're going to get someone a handheld gaming PC, or know someone who already has one, this is the accessory we recommend gifting them. Number 5. Razer Viper V2 Pro. Regular mice are too slow to keep up with the split-second movements necessary to play PC games competitively, which is why we recommend getting serious gamers Razer's Viper V2 Pro. The wireless optical mouse provides peak performance on any surface and can survive up to 90 million clicks without faltering. Razer even allows you to change the mouse's sensitivity by pushing a button instead of managing it through software. The most impressive feature of this mouse is that it's wireless, which is atypical for gaming mice as it can lead to latency, lag, between your input, movement or a click, and how long it takes the PC to respond. Razer feels like it's cracked the code on how to offer premium performance without a cumbersome cable. If wires aren't an issue, Razer's Basilisk V3 is another good pick. Its optical sensor is almost as good, and it's equipped with RGB lights and even more programmable buttons. Not sure? Check out additional cheap gaming mice we recommend.